Hi, I'm David Borla, and it's been a little while since you've heard from me regarding our active performance sound system product line. And I just thought this would be a good time to kind of update you guys on what's going on with it. I can tell you that we have our foot fully on the throttle moving forward with this. We've never taken our foot off the throttle. I know it seems like maybe there's been some times where not a lot's going on, but there's a ton going on behind the scenes, and there has been for a long time. This is our new DSP module, and as you might imagine, it's taken an incredible amount of time to put this together, and it's a massive upgrade over what we had previously. This DSP is really the brain of the entire system, and the functionality and the processing power and the capability of this DSP is light years ahead of what we had before. As a matter of fact, we're not even using all of its capability because we wanted to future-proof this thing, because we know we're going to have so many other ideas, so many other things that we want to do, that you guys want to do, that you're going to tell us about, that we're going to be able to build in to use with this DSP. And we thank everybody that jumped on this product early and took a risk and bought it and installed it on their vehicle. And we're going to take care of all you guys so that you're able to upgrade to the new functionality and the new power of all this stuff. The app is coming. The connectivity to the app is just a game changer. It's so much fun. We're going to be scaling it to a lot of different EVs. It's going to be available on a lot of different platforms. You're going to have many more sounds to choose from. The algorithm is constantly going to be updated. One of the cool things about this is that once you have this DSP in your system and the app functionality, we're going to be able to constantly upgrade and update and give you new things. Most importantly, this is a performance product. We've gone to great lengths to tie this thing into throttle position and wheel speed and load on the motor and acceleration and all kinds of other things, going deep into corners, coming out of corners, going onto on-ramps, cold start, idle, all kinds of things that really we've gone to great detail with, and you have an incredible amount of control over how this is all going to work. It's really going to be a sound that defines you, and it's going to be something that's incredibly intuitive and an instrument when you're driving in a performance sense. So this is fun, this is new, this is edgy, this is completely different from anything anybody is doing in this space. I know there are a lot of EVs out there that have sound, safety sounds, internal sounds, and other things, but this is really an edgy aftermarket product. This is about personalization, giving it a sound that really belongs to you, giving you an options of different sounds. You can't tell you how much it changes the character of the vehicle to go from one sound to another. One of the reasons that this has taken so long is because this is really an instrument and something that's so intuitive and fits so perfectly. We have this beautiful team that we've put together, and everybody has these incredible ideas that we're just really want to bring into reality, and it takes a little bit of time to do that. It's been a whole new world for us. We've been metal workers for nearly 50 years, and now we're creating stuff like this, you know, a DSP module, which is really far out of our wheelhouse. So pioneering all of this, going into uncharted territory for us, has really been quite an experience, and it's really been a lot of fun, and we've learned a lot. I just kind of wanted to extend my excitement and let you guys know that this stuff is coming really soon, and give you the confidence that we haven't stopped. If anything, we're putting more time and more resources, and we've put our foot even further down on the gas pedal to make this happen. I just can't stress enough how excited I am to get it out there. Thank you, and stay tuned, because it's going to be a game changer.